Okay, student, before we end today's lesson, I'd like to hear a summary from some of you about what we have learned today. So, who wants to try first? Okay, Pooja, please tell us what the summary about the material today. Okay, thank you to Pooja. So student, give applause to Pooja. Okay, the next, who want to try to conclude the material today? Okay, Nanda. Okay, please Nanda. Okay, right. Good job, Nanda. And the last, who want to try what the conclusion about the material today? Okay, Halimah, please. Okay, thank you to Halimah. So student, that's right. Pooja, Halimah, Nanda, thank you for the excellent summary, and everyone has worked well today. So give applause to yourself. Alright student, we have learned a lot about narrative text today. Let I summarize the material we have studied again. So, narrative text is a fictional story of written story created to entertain readers. We usually encounter narrative text in the form of fairy tales, folk tales, or other fictional story. So the aim or the purpose of narrative text is to entertain readers or listener in a story with sequential events that lead to a climax and finally find a resolution. It usually has a structure such as orientation, complication, resolution, and sometimes reorientation. So apart from that, we also discuss various kinds of narrative text such as myth, fairy tale, folklore, fable, legend, mystery, classic, and fantasy. I give you example in the legend like the story of Malin Kundang, and in fantasy like about Cinderella maybe, and in fable or a legend, mystery, classic, and fantasy. And next is element is linguistic in the narrative text. In narrative text, using simple past in linguistic elements like kill, drunk, and then, and adverb of time like once upon a time, long time ago, and so on. And time conjunction like when, then, suddenly, and so on. And the specific character are not common like Cinderella, Snow White, Aladdin. And action verb in linguistic element that show action like kill and walk. Direct speech like Snow White said, my name is Snow White. This is example from the linguistic element from the narrative text. So, do you understand, student? Okay, if you understand, for the assessment process, I see you are very active in discuss and asking question. So, thank you for your participation. Now, we will work on several questions to assess your understanding of this material. So, after you are finished, we will discuss the answer together. Okay, do you understand? Okay, please do it. Okay, student. So thank you for solving the question well. For those who still don't understand, Don't worry, we will review this material again the next meeting, okay? So as a follow-up, I ask you to look for a narrative story from a book or the internet or several resources. Then write down the structure as we have learned. This assessment is due next week. Okay, we have reached the end of the lesson. Thank you for your hard work today. See you in the next lesson. And don't forget to always read and practice again and again. Okay. Okay, student, and I hope you can understand what we have learned today, and I hope you will be even more enthusiastic about the learning. And last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.